Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to inspect the cylinder head on your 1994 through 2001 Yamaha YZ125. You can find my full top-end service video as well as parts and tools linked below. Clean the entire head with parts cleaner and a soft brush. Or a shop towel, you do you. If you have carbon buildup in the combustion chamber, soak your parts in cleaner, then gently scrub it off with a scouring pad. You can use a wire brush on a drill, but be very careful not to apply too much pressure. With the surface cleaned, inspect any signs of obvious wear or damage. Check that the water jackets are free of obstruction and the mating surface is smooth. You can smooth out small burrs and pits with 600 grit emery paper, but be careful, 1/1000th of an inch could take your head out of spec. I like to buff my combustion chamber and mating surface to a shine, but I'm extra. Gently run your spark plug thread follower all the way through the spark plug hole to correct any thread damage. If your threads are stripped out and your follower cannot correct them, you will need to install a helicoil. What's a helicoil? A helicoil is a screw thread insert. It's basically an extra set of threads made out of steel that can replace damaged threads in soft materials like aluminum. Inspect the head for warp. Lay your straight edge across two adjacent mounting holes and try to fit your feeler gauge underneath. If you find any gaps, double check the head for smoothness and try again. If the gap still exists, record the measurement. Repeat this measurement process around the head. The warp limit for your cylinder head is 0.0012 inches. You can bring your head into spec with a sheet of 600 grit emery paper and a piece of glass. Tape the emery paper to a sheet of glass and run your cylinder head in a figure 8 motion against the paper using very light pressure. Stop and measure your clearance every 3 passes. If you cannot bring your head back to spec, you will need to take it to a machine shop. As you can see, I'm doing way more than 3 passes each time, but I'm just trying to get the smoothest surface possible as I am already in spec. Clean your cylinder head with hot, soapy water and rinse thoroughly. Dry with compressed air and double check the mating surface for smoothness. If everything looks good, apply a light coat of WD-40 to avoid oxidation, and wrap your cylinder head in plastic wrap to avoid contaminants until you're ready for assembly. Finally, check your hanger plates for damage. If the plates are bent or the holes are elongated, they need to be replaced. I would inspect my hanger brackets, but this bike didn't come with them, so I have to go find them, and they're not easy to find, apparently. But that's just my problem. If you need any help, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.